Neha ma'am, Ghartonde sir has called you.
Shefali, can you please watch Pari? Mr. Ghartonde has called me.
He called you, didn't he? Doesn't he have anything better to do?
I'm going in.
Mom, will your boss punish you now?
No, dear. My boss tells very nice jokes. He called me to tell a joke. So I'll be back. You do your work.
Who allowed you? Who allowed you to bring your daughter to the office? The office has certain rules and these things aren't allowed over here. And if it's an absolute emergency, then you must take my permission first. I am the boss over here. You've not given me the report about yesterday's file yet. What is it? Did you get the signature?
Yes, sir.
What?
No, sir. Huh? I waited there for quite a while, but the boss had no time. That's why I gave it to his employee.
What? Do you realize what disaster that file can cause if it goes into the wrong hands?
Sir, it seems he works for the big boss.
Huh? Who is he? What's his name?
Your name?
Sorry, ma'am. We aren't allowed to speak too much.
I don't know, sir. He doesn't have the permission to speak too much.
Huh? Why are you smiling now? Who needs permission to give his name? What are you talking about? I will lose my job because of your irresponsible behavior. I will complain about you to madam. Should I do it?
No, sir.
Why are you smiling? What's so funny? Have you lost your mind?
Yes, sir. No, I mean no, sir.
Be quiet.
Yeah, boss. We have reached your office.
What are you calling me boss for? Why am I wearing this? I'm feeling so uncomfortable in it. I don't want to do all this.
You what?
You made me wear this
what
for no reason.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I can't do this and this doesn't match my clothes.
Coat or no coat. It's decided that you're the boss and I'm the employee.
But why are we doing all this?
I told you why all of this is going on in the morning at home. Don't keep asking me constantly.
No,
Come
I
on.
don't want to do this.
Come on.
Yash.
Hey, what are you doing here? Don't roam in the corridor, okay? Enough of the chatting and the time pass. Some important people are expected today. Go on, get to work.
Sir.
Hey! Where are you going? Very important people are expected today.
Who is expected?
Our big boss's grandson. The boss of this office is expected.
Oh, I see. So the boss is expected.
Who told you?
I know everything, sir.
Do you know him?
What do you mean?
I mean, have you seen your boss before?
Seen him? I used to drop him to school when he was a kid.
That is amazing.
Of course. I am the senior employee after all. Suresh. Almost like their family. Who do you want to meet? What do you want?
We want to meet the boss. There's a meeting.
Oh, I see. You want to meet the boss, is it?
Yes.
Alright then. Take the middle path. And cabin is on the right. But don't go in. Stay outside.
Yes. Sure. Come, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. So please carry on. I'll be there.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
What's the matter, dear?
Nothing.
Do you want to see something magical? Ta-da!
I don't want to.
Oh dear. You don't even want a chocolate. Hey! What is this?
Nothing.
But you seem to be a very strong girl. Strong girls don't cry like this. What is it? Okay, come with me, come on. Come. So tell me, do you work here?
Don't be silly. I am a child. My mother works here.
Oh, I see. So your mom works here. Okay, okay. Does your mom bring you here every day?
No, I have school every day. I stay at Uncle Bandhu's place. But I was crying bitterly today, you see? That's why my mother brought me to the office.
Why? You're such a strong girl. A strong girl won't cry this way.
I'm not crying either. Mom said she would come home early yesterday. I was waiting for her. She came home in a helicopter. She had fun without me. It was my birthday and still she had fun all by herself.
It will just take 2 minutes. They have made me wait for 1.5 hours. They said it's his grandson's birthday. It's my daughter's birthday too. She is calling me constantly. She is waiting for me to come there.
I see. So it was your birthday too yesterday.
You mean it was your birthday too?
Pari? Pari?
Did mom get home in time?
Yes. We cut the cake too. Mom gave me a gift in the morning too. But the dangerous uncle took my gift and went away.
Who do you mean, dear?
My dad took money from him and ran away. Mom paid everyone off, but he still comes to shout at mom.
Hey, Mr. Patil.
Yes?
Did you see Pari?
No.
Hey, Shefali. Where is Pari? She was right here. Where did you go? I got a call, so I asked you to watch over her for 5 minutes. Okay, let me search for her. Relax, just relax. Pari!
Buddy, a helicopter is traveling through the clouds now.
Look in front of you when you fly.
Yeah. I thought since there's no traffic, we can chat and go along.
Pari? Oh, Pari! What is wrong with you? Huh? Where were you? Do you know how scared I was?
I didn't came here. He brought me here.
Hello.
He's my friend. He's really nice.
Well, you can address me informally.
Mom, he gave me lots to eat. We played a lot.
Thanks. For yesterday and for today as well. I forgot to ask your name in all the rush yesterday.
Yash. And you, miss?
Don't say miss. I'm just Neha. Pari, he let me sit in the helicopter yesterday. He made sure I got to your birthday on time.
You know, you're very lucky, Pari. You have someone to remember your birthday.
I won't speak to you anymore.
Well, why not? What is it?
Pari,
I won't speak to you either. Both of you sat in a helicopter, right? Mom got to sit in a real helicopter. I sit in a fake one. I want to sit in a real helicopter too. I want to sit in a helicopter. I want to.
Shh, Pari. This is my office. You must not create a scene here, or that man will scold you again. Sit here. Sit. You were eating this, right? Have it. I gave you a file yesterday. What about that? Today I was scolded about that.
It's reached the right place.
Are you saying the big boss got it?
Yes. What was in it?
I have no idea.
And who gave it to you?
Gahar Tonde sir gave it to me. He said get it signed by the boss. Yesterday, sir.
Please be informal with me.
Okay. You dropped me home in the helicopter yesterday, right? How much do I owe you? Tell me, I'll pay you as soon as I get my salary.
Fred, I told you so. We have lots of money.
You haven't finished this? There's some more. Want to eat?
Yash, what you said is right. She can't be that kind of person.
Pari, come and sit there.
The trains were so crowded today. I missed 3 of them. Normally, I never come late to the office. Oh my, is she your daughter, right?
Yes. Pari.
She's so grown up. Neha, have you found her dad?
No.
So are you alone then?
Yes.
How do you manage everything then? Taking care of Pari and your job?
There is an elderly couple next door. She stays with them the whole day. They are just like family.
I see.
Pari, look at this.
Krishna, what is all this stuff for?
It is for the boss's cabin.
Oh. Wait. Is the boss coming? What does he look like?
I don't know, ma'am.
Aja. Come in. Welcome. Attention. Everyone pay attention to me, please. Myself, Ghar Tonde
You're
here.
the boss, Show some attitude.
And today we have a special guest. A boss. Our boss. And sir, I think I should speak in Marathi so everyone will understand.
Yes.
Yes. So this is a very lucky day for all of us. Our junior boss is here with us in the office today. I have promised him that we will work even more vigorously under his guidance and do well.
Ghar Tonde, introduce me to everyone first.
Yes, sir. This is our entire staff, sir.
Hello.
You're the boss, sir. The boss.
Hello, everyone. Good morning.
I want him to be my husband. I want to marry him. Did you see that? My ticket to 5 billion finally. Yes.
If he has 5 billion, then why would he marry you?
You see our boss right here? He is doing business all over the world. And he's never in India. But today, he has come to our tiny little branch. He will stay here for some days and guide us how to work. So the brand of JYC Industries has been converted into a brand worth $1 billion turnover. And we are so lucky to have a boss like him who is multi-talented. We must take advantage of this. If we have any difficulties, then Sir is here. And I'm here too. I mean, if there are any issues at the office, I'm present 24/7, sir.
I don't doubt it, Ghartonde. There is a lot I must learn from you.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you. It's my pleasure. Sir, can you say something?
No. What can I say? I mean,
Let me tell you what Sir would like to say. I mean, Sir mentioned it to me, and I will tell everyone about it. That if anyone has any issues while working here, or if anyone finds any kind of wrongdoing, then come and tell the boss directly. Am I right, sir? Isn't that what you wanted to say?
yeah, he's right. He's absolutely right. Come on, everyone, get back to work.
Come on. Everyone go back to your places. Come on, go on.
Suresh,
Yes, sir. Yes, tell me, sir.
Suresh.
Yes, sir.
Bring all the files for accounts and project details for the last year to Sir's cabin.
Sir, sorry. Earlier, they.
what are you doing, Suresh? Didn't you drop me to the school when I was a kid?
I was kidding, sir. I mean, I am a jolly man by nature.
Oh,
So listen, once there was an elephant, and there was an ant, and they.
Go on, please bring the files.
I will bring the file, sir.
Let's go.
I will go and have some coffee.
Sure, sir.
What is this?
Sir wanted coffee, it seems.
Hey, Yash. Oh man. Yash, I can't handle the act of being the boss. I feel very constricted. Listen to me, you are the real boss. Hey, after my parents died, you and Grandpa supported me. Despite being my boss, you treat me like a friend. That's enough. Acting like I'm the boss makes me feel very awkward. I don't want to do this.
One moment, wait. Boss, just look at this. One moment, just look at this. These figures are different, and these figures are different. A lot of these files have a lot of scams of this kind. The files are checked 3 times. How come no one noticed this scam?
They didn't notice it, or perhaps they chose to ignore it. On purpose? By the way, this company is run by Seema. Oh, sorry. Aunt Simi handles it, right?
Ghartonde, come in, please. The boss is calling you.